Okay, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break. So a new box of 2011-2012 Panini Rookie Anthology edited tonight on eBay. That is February the 19th, between times of 7:15 and 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Last thing that ended was Winnipeg Jets, ended at 7:44 and 24 seconds. Current eBay time is 11:05 p.m. on the 19th. So I'm going to do the break right now. Get it already, upload to YouTube, circulate the links. Well, I won't circulate the links right away, but it will be up on my website tonight. So if anybody wants to watch it, well, you can know because you have to hear the video to hear me say if you want to watch it. But anything that can be done is done on the website same night. The other stuff gets put on usually the next morning. All right, guys, let's get going. Rookie Anthology. 181, 163, 595. Let's remember the 595 here. There you go. No problem. I can make that out without any issues. Box Rookie Anthology. Rookie Anthology. Sealed. For your pleasure. I wish everybody good luck in this break. As always, future breaks. Hopefully we can hit a nice silhouette or something for you. That would be okay. The Anthology bonus pack we'll put here is a thicker pack, it felt like, so it could be a Luxury Suite stick. Or something else altogether, who knows. Empty box. Toss that. Let's get going. Good luck on Rookie Anthology, guys. One, two. First hit goes to you, Philadelphia. You have a Harry Zolnierczyk, I believe. Yep, Pinnacle Rookie. So go check it out. One, nope. Two. For the Montreal Canadiens, we have an Aaron Palushai, Pinnacle Rookie, Montreal. It's a little bit thicker. Either a Treasures or a Silhouette coming up. Good luck, guys. One, two. Very nice. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, it's like Simone Dupre. I guess. I'm like, God, kick it and let me know. Simone Dupre out of $4.99. Dual jersey and auto for Pittsburgh. Not too shabby. Color contenders for the Vancouver Canucks, Bill Sweat out of $9.99. Bill Sweat for the Canucks. For the Detroit Red Wings out of $2.99, we have Brendan Smith, Phenoms. There is a little bit of chipping there on the corner, or on the side there. Brendan Smith, Detroit. A lot of the Rookie Anthology Phenoms, for some reason, had that this year. For the Carolina Hurricanes, we have a Riley Nash. Pinnacle Rookie. Carolina. Hard to make out. But it is Riley Nash. Carolina. Rookie rivalry to be randomized between Phoenix and Ottawa is Zibanejad and Rundblad. So I don't forget. Which is a rather large assumption sometimes. Rookie rivalry between Nashville and Detroit. Blake Jeffrion and Brendan Smith. Also to be randomized. I better remember there's two of them. One, two. Ryan Thang, Crown Royal Rookie Royalty. Nashville. Last regular pack, then we'll do the Rookie Anthology bonus pack. Pinnacle Rookie of Chris Friedheim, Minnesota. Let's do the Rookie Anthology bonus pack here. Good luck on this one. For the Anaheim Ducks, we have a Ryan Getzlaf jersey and stick. Nice stick piece on there. Getzlaf for the Ducks. That's it for the packs. Let's do the randomizations. Okay, let's do Nashville, Detroit first. Jeffrey Ron Smith. Always alphabetical. Always 5 times for eBay. Good luck, guys. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The winner is Nashville. Let's get going on the Runblad Zvanejad, Phoenix, and Ottawa. Ottawa goes in first. I can type. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The winner is Ottawa. Ottawa. That's it for the break. Again, I want to thank everybody for taking part in it, and remind you guys I do a lot of off eBay breaks for RYDLAR99.com for all those if you so choose. Have a good one, everybody.